Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making breakfast for myself. This is going to be a very quick breakfast to make. I'll just be frying this egg and I'm going to eat this fried egg, the fried egg with bread and tea. Easy breakfast to make. So here I have 3 eggs. I've already cut down my onions and green pepper. So here I just have onions and green pepper, and of course I'll be using seasoning cube. I'll be adding 1 seasoning cube to it. But guess what? There is no pepper in this house. Oh my goodness, like no pepper in this house. How did I forget to buy pepper? Because naturally I'm the kind of person that likes pepper. But guess what? I don't have pepper in this house. Like, there is no chili pepper in this house. How on earth did I forget to buy pepper? Naturally, I like spicy food. I like to see the reddishness of that pepper, but I don't have pepper in this house. So I'll be frying this egg without pepper. I don't know what it will taste like, but I know it will still be okay. Anyway, I'm very hungry, so pepper or no pepper, I am going to eat fried egg. So here I have 3 eggs. I'll break the eggs and then I'll start to fry. There's a little eggshell in this egg, so I'll be taking it off. Ta-da! Can you guys see it? So, because I have seasoning cube, I don't like to use salt. This seasoning cube is enough for this egg. The only thing that I'm missing in this egg right now is just pepper, and I don't know how it's gonna taste because I like spicy food, but it's okay.